Hey guys, Jacob here, and we'll go back to another Happy Heroes video. Base cam. My friend No Dog Gaming told me that I should do face cam, and I'm gonna put the link to his channel in this description. So all 8 of you subscribers of mine can go to subscribe to him. Even though we're in a race to whoever can get to 10 subscribers first, and I have 8 and he has 1, and his 1 subscriber is me. So I'm a better YouTuber, just saying. Sorry, Riley, if you're watching. Just saying. So, my friend told me to look up Run Human Run 1, 3, and 4. So, it's Corey 1987. So, let's see it. Level name, author name. Corey 1987. Oh, there was a problem. Please, wait a moment and try again. I will unpause it when I figure out this problem. Back. So yeah, this is it. Run Human 1-3 right here. Let's play it. Woo. Just be Santa Claus. This is a different kind of Run Human Run, isn't it? Oh my god, what is that thing? Oh my god, oh my god. My elves! Santa! I want to go that way. I don't want this one for that. Let's go this way. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Oh dear god. Yeah, I go this way. I said I go this way. I want to go this way. Let's go. I want to go this way. Stupid. Little. Ah! Gosh darn it. Over it. Yeah, there we go. No! How did I go forwards? It's stupid. I guess you just can't go that way. For some reason. Let's go this way. I really don't know. How do you not get killed by those things? I'm gonna win! Ooh! Go, kid! Timmy! Don't worry about your dad, he's okay. Ah! How do you break the arms? Boom! Kill them! Oh, snap! Go! No. No! Nah! It is mentally disturbing. Kill you all. Oh god. No! Ah! Holy. Ah, it's on top of me. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, no. What are those things? They're like chicken crabs with knives. I would kill all of you. Chicken murder crabs with knives. Okay, that was boss. I gotta watch that. I got it. That was like beast mode. It like just flung me and my child around in circles. Right there, got me in the head. Got me. Grabbed my child, ripped my head off, was holding me by his arms, started flipping my child, was eating me, ripped me into pieces, got my child still, twirled my child, slammed him on the ground, ripped his head off, and we're done. That was beast mode. That stupid chicken murder crab with knives. Oh god. Oh dude, 2 of them are attacking each other. I He just ate my child and vomited it back out. He was like in his mouth, and I was like, "This is Sparta!" Don't take my stuff. Okay. This is taking forever. This is Sparta. These chicken murder crabs with knives are freaking beast. They're beast mode. They've got it turned on easy, and I got it turned on hardcore. Yay, son, run. Never mind. My guts just flew all over my child. He was ripped in half, and he was slowly dying today. I don't want to kill this way. Holy, what the? I just killed my child. Holy, ninja attack. You can't catch me. That one. Not cool. Go! Get out of here. I don't care about my child, just go. Oh, thank God. Great, now we have these again. Where like they all went on me at the same time. This level is really hard. What the? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. This is the first one, like, honestly. This one here, one. Number 2 is my favorite one so far. Oh my God. Okay. Hello, fish. We're on a murder death. What happened to your chicken friends? Oh my God. What are they? Oh, God is right. Oh my God. That is messed up. No, don't die. How do I get through here? Stop. Let me in. I want inside. Let's go the other way. Is there another way? There is not another way, so maybe it's now open over there? I don't know. Is it open now? I don't get it. Let's do his worst one ever, Saw Escape, which is the first level of it. Oh my God. What is in my... I understand that. If I hit my head too hard, I will die. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh crap. No. Oh, my stupid head. What's the best level you ever did? Bounty Hunter. Backyard Wrestling is pretty cool. Play this bird. Oh my God. Hi, turkey! Wah! Is that what you're gonna have to Thanks so much for watching.